When installing an individual meter pan in an existing electrical room, there are minimum space requirements that must be adhered to in order to ensure both safety and compliance with electrical codes. These requirements dictate the amount of free space needed around the equipment for access, maintenance, and safe operation. The minimum space requirements are 30 inches wide by 24 inches deep by 36 inches high. Let's break down each of these dimensions. The width of 30 inches is the minimum horizontal space that must be available in front of the meter pan. This allows a person to stand and work comfortably without being cramped. The depth of 24 inches refers to the clearance from the front of the meter pan to any obstruction behind it. This space is necessary for accessing the meter pan for inspections, repairs, and meter readings. Lastly, the height of 36 inches specifies the vertical clearance above the meter pan. This ensures that there is enough room to work on the meter pan without hitting your head or being obstructed by other equipment. It is crucial to adhere to these minimum space requirements to ensure a safe and code-compliant electrical installation. Failure to do so can result in hazardous conditions and potential violations of electrical codes. Additionally, it is important to consult local electrical codes and regulations, as they may have specific requirements that differ from the national standards. These codes are established to provide guidelines for electrical installations, ensuring safety, preventing electrical hazards, and promoting standardization. They outline the requirements for wiring methods, grounding, overcurrent protection, equipment installation, and other essential aspects of electrical systems. Compliance with electrical codes is not only a legal requirement, but also a crucial aspect of ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Ignoring or disregarding these codes can lead to serious consequences such as electrical shocks, fires, equipment damage, and even fatalities. It is therefore essential for electricians, contractors, and homeowners to familiarize themselves with the applicable electrical codes and adhere to them during any electrical work or installation. In the United States, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, is the most widely adopted electrical code. It is a comprehensive set of guidelines developed by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in electrical technology and safety practices. The NEC covers a wide range of topics related to electrical installations, including wiring methods, grounding, overcurrent protection, equipment installation, and special occupancies. It provides detailed requirements for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. The NEC is not a law itself, but rather a model code that is adopted by state and local jurisdictions. Many states and municipalities have adopted the NEC as their official electrical code, making it legally binding within their respective jurisdictions. However, some jurisdictions may make amendments or modifications to the NEC to suit the specific needs or local conditions. In addition to the NEC, there may be other codes and regulations that apply to electrical installations. These may include state electrical codes, local ordinances, and utility company requirements. It is important to consult all applicable codes and regulations before commencing any electrical work to ensure compliance and avoid potential penalties.